What do you think? Hey, Rock. Can you tell stories? Hi, buddy. What are you looking at over there? Can you tell stories? Nolan. What can you say? What are you looking at? There's nothing up there. What are you looking at? Hi, Nolan. What do you think? Got a story? You got a story? You gonna talk to us? Nolan. Nolan. Hey, buddy. Buddy. What are you looking at over there? What are you looking at over there? You got a story, Nolan? What'd you do today? Buddy. Hi, buddy. Hi, buddy. Oh. Say, Nolan. Did you already tell us all your stories? Did you run out? Nolan, what do you think? Hi. What is so entertaining over there? There. Hi. Hi. Do you see us? What? Hi. Nolan. What do you think? What are you going to tell us? Oh. Oh, boy. Oh, what else? What do you think, buddy? Did we have a good date today so far? Sure did. Yeah, we sure did. What else? What can you tell us? What can you tell us? Hi, buddy. You're 8 weeks old tomorrow. Oh my goodness. September 17th today, 8 weeks tomorrow. Can you have a party? Sure. Yeah. Can we have a party? Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Big stories. Those are pretty big smiles. Sure are. Oh. Oh. Really? What else? Ooh. What? Wow. Wow. What do you think? It's sure quiet when Sister isn't here, huh? Yeah? Oh. What? What's the matter? Goodness. Goodness. Can you tell us anything else, buddy? Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Nolan. You say, see you later. You wave bye-bye? Bye.